it's me Ashley and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be looking at my very first I Saw It First order. I have a huge bag of goodies to go through, so let's take a look together and see what we think. Okay, so this is my very first I Saw It First order. I have seen a couple of people order from them on YouTube, but I've never seen any of the clothes in person myself, never ordered from them, so this is going to be new to me completely. I tried to be quite sensible with my order and order things that would come into use rather than order any crazy items, because I wasn't really sure what the quality of clothes were going to be like, what the fit was going to be like, so hopefully I picked some decent things. I think, like I said, I was trying to be a bit sensible, so I don't know how exciting the haul will be, but there are a few interesting items in here if I remember rightly, so hopefully it should all be interesting. Also worth noting before we get in the bag is that most of what I ordered was actually on sale, because like I said, I don't know what the brand's like myself, and I kind of just wanted to maybe buy some of the cheaper items before spending a little bit more if, you know, the items are good, which hopefully, fingers crossed, they are. So let's open the bag. Okay, so that's open, and there is a huge bag full in here. I cannot remember everything that I ordered, so this is going to be as interesting for me as it's going to be for you guys. Okay, so the leaflet that was in the bag didn't actually have the prices on there, but from what I remember, I think I paid about £56 for 11 items, which works out, what, roughly about £5 each, so a bargain. I think some were way less, some were way more. Like I said, there was a 75% sale on. A lot of these things were very cheap. I think I only got one thing that was actually on full price. I stuck in at the end, but because I ordered over the bank holiday weekend, they did have a 30% off full price items too. So it's definitely worth looking out for these offers on this site, like I say, if it's any good. But basically, let's dive in and have a little look and we'll see what we got. Okay, so I'm just going to pull out an item, we'll have a little look, and then later on I will go on and try them on, and I'll insert those videos after showing you the item. It looks like they're all in a little plastic bag, so I'll just speed through me opening those. Our first item then looks like it's a jumper. Okay, so this is our first item. It's lovely and soft. Wow. I got this in a size small, which is saying it's a 12, so that would explain why it is quite wide. But hopefully it might fit nicely. It does feel absolutely gorgeous and soft. It's lovely. I can't wait to wear that. It's so soft. I like the colour, so hopefully it will look nice on. Okay, so I really love this. It feels so soft and it fits really nice. I absolutely love these sleeves. It just offers that something a little bit different. I've just teamed it with a pair of jeans at the moment. I'll probably add some boots for the winter, and I think it would be an absolutely lovely look. So comfortable and pretty. Okay, next thing, very bright. Okay, so here we have a very bright lime green pair of shorts. I believe these actually were £1.50 because I remember thinking, oh, that's like Primark prices. I am going on holiday next year, so I thought something like this can come in quite useful. They feel very stretchy. Again, the material's nice, the colour's nice. Hopefully they'll look great on. I mean, I'm not sure what the green colour's going to be like on me, but I think when you've got a bit of a tan, it might be a really nice colour to wear. Okay, so I've just teamed the shorts with a little slouchy vest from Primark. It was actually in my last Primark haul. It's the only Primark haul I've done. Anyway, they fit really nicely. They do definitely need a good old iron, but other than that, I think they're perfectly fine for £1.50. I actually really like the colour, and I think they'll look absolutely brilliant on a summer holiday. Happy days. Not sure what this is. Oh yes, this is one of the crazier items that I ordered. I'm not entirely sure why I really got it, I just kind of liked it, and it was super cheap. Okay, so like I say, it is a little bit of a random one, but it is this kind of like leather look jacket. It's like slightly cropped and it's completely bonkers. It's tasseled, and if you check out the back, it's full of stars. Do you know what? It's a little bit crazy, but I actually kind of really like it. I was thinking when I got it, it might be nice to team with like a little dress, maybe something a bit feminine, just to kind of offset the whole cowboy look. I'm thinking like a floral dress, not too dissimilar to what I'm wearing. I got this in a size medium. Again, it was just a crazy one, but I think it was about £7. So I think the jury will be out until I put it on because, like I say, it is a little bit wacky, but I did love the tassels. You have to have at least one crazy item in a haul, otherwise, what's the point? Okay, so this is the jacket. I absolutely love it. It fits really well and I think it's fabulous. I mean, I'm not entirely sure where I would wear it to, but I absolutely love it. If I show you the back. How cool! It fits nicely. It will fasten if I want it to. Not that I necessarily need it to, but it's nice. I like it. I really do like it. It's a little bit out there and a little bit bonkers, but I think it's fab. Okay, so our next item, I believe this was a jacket. It is just a kind of checker, kind of like dog's tooth jacket. It's kind of long. I think it's got like 3/4 sleeves. I got that in a size 12. I think a lot of the sizes were like small or medium and it didn't really say. It's long, it's very thin, you can probably see through it. So not going to be the warmest of weather. It's not the greatest of material, but it is quite nice. So I'm thinking that would look great on, hopefully. You could team it with a pair of jeans, a little black top, or you could wear it over like a nice black dress. Let's see. Okay, so this jacket is another one that's going to need an iron. It doesn't seem to know where the folds need to be on this at all. The pockets are fake, which is really disappointing. Again, it's very thin, it feels a little cheap, but it was cheap. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure on it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. These just feel like they really need an iron down to sit where I want them to sit. Nice enough, but not great, not great. Dig deep. I think this might be the full price item that I got. It was an oversized black t-shirt, basically. Nothing more exciting than that. But if you saw my Primark haul, you'll know I mentioned liking baggy t-shirts at the moment, and I just kind of saw this as I was going to checkout, and like I said, 30% off, so I think it worked out about £4, and it's literally just an oversized black t-shirt. I was thinking it'll just be nice to just lounge around in, or like stick on a pair of leggings and take the dog for a walk or something. Yeah. Hello, so if I look a little bit different to how I did in my other try-ons, it's because I forgot to film this one. Okay, so this is the oversized black t-shirt, and it is what it says it is an oversized black t-shirt. Okay, so I'm kind of pleased that it does what it says it is, and it's a nice baggy black t-shirt. Here I'm just wearing it with a loose fit-in pair of trousers that I have been doing my makeup with, so they are a little bit dusty, sorry. But yeah, I really like it. Okay, so this one is a bit of a light jacket, kind of a bit of a rain mackie coat. I think this was £3, so I was like, why not? I got this in a size medium, just because I wasn't sure of the fitting, and I was thinking if you want a coat, it's going over to the top of clothes anyway. But it does seem rather quite big for a medium. It does seem huge, absolutely huge. So, but for £3, it'll do as just a daft thing to even just have kept in the car for in case I need a random jacket. But no, for £3, it seems decent. Okay, so this is the coat. Now I've tried it on. It is a little bit big, but in all fairness, it doesn't really matter. It's still quite nice. Got nice pockets. It'll definitely serve its purpose, and I think for about the £3 that I paid, I'm happy. cannot remember what most of these things are at all. Oh, it's a dress. Okay, it's very wrinkled, so it will need a good old iron. Again, this was one I was thinking of for a holiday. It's kind of just a nice little black dress that I thought would go well over a swimsuit or something. And I got that one in a size 10. It's got a bit of a stretch, so you could wear it around here or have it a bit more up, I'm sure. Nice little floaty sleeves. The material's fairly thin. It's thinner on the arms than on the actual body itself. But no, I think that'd be nice on holiday. Like I said, it does need an iron. It seems quite short, but we'll see what it looks like on. Okay, so the dress, it definitely needs an iron, but it's quite a nice fit. I'm not entirely sure about this elastic band around here. It feels a little bit restricting and it keeps getting twisted. But again, it was dead cheap. It's not my favourite item, but for the money, it is okay. Okay, then our next item is this little peach, kind of just vest. It's a very pretty colour. It's nice and thin. It's more of a summery top. Again, I think it was really cheap. But no, I like that. It's pretty. It's quite, like I said, quite sheer, so you make sure you've got something underneath. But no, that's nice. That's pretty. It's pretty. So no, that'll be nice. Nice summery top with some floral trousers or a pair of jeans and some heels. I can see that being quite nice. Okay, so this one was really nice in theory, but for some reason it is flattening my bosoms. It's really tight around the bust area. Other than that, the fit is lovely and I really like the colour and it's really light and floaty, but I do feel like my busts are being squashed. But it's an unfortunate thing because I would really like the top otherwise. Just show you around the back. Yeah, the girls aren't happy and I'm not happy. I mean, I don't know, I don't like it. I don't like it. No, they look horrendous. No. Okay. Okay, so this was one I got in preparation for the weather getting worse. Again, something Christmassy time, I thought it'd be fun. It's a jumper that says snow away. So you know, with winter coming and stuff, winter is coming. I just thought it would be a canny little jumper. And it's quite long, so you can wear it with leggings or as a dress maybe if you're a bit braver than I am. It's quite thin though, I don't know if you can see through, but I can see through it. So it won't be the warmest of jumpers, but you know what, for the money I paid, I'm really happy with that. Love it. Snow away, man. Snow away, man. So this one, it was actually a little more fitted than I was expecting. But not bad at all, you know, I do still have room to move in it. I'm wearing it as a dress at the moment. This probably isn't how I would wear it. I would have leggings on or maybe some really skinny jeans or jeggings. It's quite nice. It's not the thickest of materials, but to be honest, I'm feeling very hot in it at the moment. So I think it'll do the job nicely. I'll just give you a little twirl. Again, like I said, I wouldn't wear it as a dress, but some people might, and I think it would look great if you're a little bit more confident with better legs than I have. Okay, digging deep, there's only a few left now. Okay, this is a top. I think I got this one because it had crazy sleeves. Okay, so it's this just white and pink stripy top. It's a little shorter than I was expecting, but I think it'll look okay. And like I say, it had crazy sleeves. Look at those! They're proper flared. I love them. That's quite cool. So hopefully that'll look cool on and I won't look like Where's Wally or something. But you know, it's something a bit different, and for the money I was paying, that's fine. It's very thin, but let's see what it looks like on. Okay, so this top fits quite nicely. It's very loose fitting, which is nice. It's not the longest, but it's not crazy short, so it works. And the sleeves are crazy. I think, well, the entire top looks a little crazy, but I actually kind of really like it. Okay, I think that's our last item. Well, it is our last item. Okay, then, so our last item is this hoodie. It's bright orange. It's just, all these sizes seem very big. What size did I get this in? Size 10. I mean, I like a baggy hoodie, but that seems huge. Okay, so a lot of the sizes do seem very oversized, but I'm happy with that for a hoodie. It is quite a thin hoodie. It's not going to be a super warming hoodie. You can see through it a little, but to be honest, but again, like I said, for the money I paid, I'm happy with that. I think it'll be something to snuggle up in and just pop on when the weather's a little bit chillier. Okay, so the orange hoodie fits really nicely. It is a little bit larger, but I really like the oversized fit of it. It's nice and long and it fits really well, I think. It's very bright, but it's fantastic. Okay, so that's all of our items. I will try them on and insert the clips in there. But from my very first impressions of just opening them and having a little look, I'm quite happy with the money that I paid for what I got. Some of them are a little thin and not the best quality, but really for the money I paid, I can't really complain. Because I haven't tried them on yet, but the sizing does seem a little on the large size, which is quite odd usually, because you tend to find a lot of sizes can be a little smaller sometimes than what you're expecting when you order online. So we'll try them on and we'll see, and hopefully they'll all fit nicely. And like I say, I think I paid about £55–56, which I can't really grumble with. I'm not sure if I would have paid full price for every item, but luckily, like I say, I've got them on sale. I think I had a message off them the other day to say they had some kind of 25% offer on, so they must have offers on quite regularly. If the items are still available on the website, then I will link them for you down below. If not, I will definitely still be linking the website, so take a little look and see what you guys think. And if you order anything from them, drop me a comment and let me know and show me what you got basically. So I hope you've enjoyed this haul. I enjoyed showing you guys what I got and experiencing my very first I Saw It First order with you. Okay then, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed as much as I've enjoyed filming it. If you have, then please give me a huge thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It would be fantastic to have you here. So that's it until my next video. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.